Hi there, welcome to the channel and thank you for tuning in. In part 2 of my trip to Marsabit, we start off at Isiolo and head north to Laisamis, passing through some of the most scenic landscapes in Kenya, oftentimes abundant with wildlife. From Laisamis, we branch off left, going to a desert settlement called Korr, where we spend the night there. There's a lot in store on this video and I hope you guys enjoy, but remember to hit the like button, comment and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy. Hey guys, just past Isiolo, about 15 kilometers north of Isiolo, and the hills you're seeing there, that's actually Nyambene Hills, which are in Meru County. And the reason I'm taking this video is I want to show you something unique about mountains and weather patterns and how that affects this entire landscape going all the way to the border with Ethiopia in Marsabit. So as you can see, there's a line of clouds above Nyambene Hills, and actually the peaks of Nyambene Hills are actually shrouded with that cloud, and it's making its way down from the Indian Ocean, which is directly east, so way past those hills. And as the winds laden with moisture come from Indian Ocean, they rise above areas like Nyambene Hills and form those clouds, which is what you're seeing, and those enable that particular area of Nyambene Hills, especially on the east side, to get plenty of moisture. So the top and the east side, which we are not seeing, is the other side of the hills is greener than it is here, and this side misses all the moisture, and as you can see, the landscape here is drier. So this phenomenon, or this weather microclimate that hills and highland areas create, determines whether some areas get moisture and others remain dry. So in this case, this side of Isiolo and Samburu is drier than that side of Nyambene Hills, which is in Meru County. So something unique there. Alright, moving on.
Safari, hakuna matata, utaona wanyama, hakuna matata, na wageni wetu. Safari, we're now about to cross the Uaso Nyiro River, which is the last permanent river on our way to Marsabit and all the way to the Ethiopian border, so all the way to southern Ethiopia. a good amount of water. Duam Palm, Kesha, it's quite it. We have another police stop here.
A few moments later.
So we just had a check. They checked my temperature. They asked where I'm from, took my phone number details, ID. It's part of precautionary measures against COVID. In the event of anything, I'll be contacted. The new world we live in. Actually, kind of is like back in the days when COVID, very long, when the Northern Frontier District, as it used to be called, had the same check about 50-60 years ago at the same point, asking everyone who was going into the then Northern Frontier District about where they were going, how many days, who all they were with, and all those kind of details. So something I would have imagined would have been like this, except no temperature checks would have been asked, and maybe no mobiles. Maybe it would have been post office or landline back then. First camel train on this journey. What you've seen is Mount Kololokwe, slightly to the right. And the other mountain straight ahead in the background is actually the Matthews Range. It starts from there going further north on a northwest direction. In Samburu County. In Samburu County right now, and it's very dry. Last time I came here in January, it was green, the rains were plenty. Right now it's quite dry, but still a bit greener. But definitely when we get to Marsabit County, it's super dry. Nobody's business. We're coming up to a junction that goes to Wamba, which also goes to Westgate Conservancy, where that car has just gone into. That's where my fellow Nati explorer, Dr. Shivani Bala, has a project called the Uaso Lions. She's working to conserve lions in this landscape. Such a beautiful country. Such vast landscapes and impressive Inselbergs. It's actually an Inselberg. The top, you can see, is quite a solid rock where much of the soil has been eroded away and has compiled on bottom slopes. known as Cree, and which vegetation has managed to get a foothold. Nzuri sana safari yako kutoka hapa Nairobi yangu
Amuga bonura jori tangal onde bon